In this overview, we're examining the 3 tiers of hosting options available with Hostinger plans before you decide to create your hosting account. We'll delve into the key differences and comparisons among these options. Starting with top features, the premium and business plans accommodate up to 100 separate websites. However, it's crucial to remember that storage capacity limitations could impact those hosting websites on WordPress, as storage is a significant factor. Hovering over any feature reveals a tooltip with additional information, enhancing user understanding. The business and cloud plans include daily backups, safeguarding your data. All plans come equipped with free SSL certificates, ensuring a high level of security, and importantly, offer unlimited bandwidth, meaning you won't face penalties for increased website traffic.
Each account provides a limited amount of free email storage with 1 GB per account, which might not suffice for all users. However, additional storage can be purchased as needed. All 3 plans feature free domain names and a content delivery network CDN to boost your website's load speed. This is a critical factor for competing online. While only the cloud plan offers a dedicated IP address, this feature can be crucial for certain websites. We can see that there is a dedicated Managed WordPress section in the table. However, our focus will shift to the no-code website builder, where all plans offer similar options. The 2 higher-tier plans provide enhanced DDoS protection, offering an extra layer of security against attacks that could prevent your website from loading. Yet, it's important to note that DDoS protection is available on all plans, with enhanced protection on the higher tiers.
Service and support are nearly identical across all plans, but priority support is exclusive to the cloud plan, offering a faster response time for troubleshooting. Finally, it's essential to consider the limitations on monthly visits, as this could impact your website's performance and accessibility. This breakdown clarifies the distinct differences between each of the 3 pricing tiers, helping users make informed decisions based on their specific needs.